Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited Minecoins in Minecraft, guys. This is super insane. This is mainly aimed at the people who have the Minecraft, I believe it is called Minecraft Pocket Edition, but it is fully working. So as you can see, I have like 9,999 Minecoins. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane. You'll see it better when I turn the camera around, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get unlimited Minecoins, guys, completely for free. So let's get right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly. So as you can see, I have 9,999 Minecoins. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane. It actually works. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go with Zoo Mods. This site has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the site, guys. So once you're on the site, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in Minecraft, I believe. And as you can see, it says Minecraft mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download, and you got unlimited Minecoins. So be sure to go and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. And Minecraft is not a game where you mess around, guys. Let me just show you guys on the App Store. As you can see, if I type in Minecraft right here, it's super expensive. So as you can see, if we go to the in-app purchases, look at that, guys. What the heck? Look how much it costs. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to Zoo Mods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys, and it is totally updated. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. As you can see, Minecraft mod right there. So yeah, try it out right now just so more people are aware of the method. And I just thought I'd make this video because so many people are coming to me and telling me they had 0 Minecoins. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stand tall and I'm gonna fight back against corruption. And corruption is Mojang, and Mojang is trying to make us pay thousands of dollars for Minecoins. But now I have unlimited Minecoins for free. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. But this is super awesome, guys, and it fully works. So if you need Minecoins, definitely go ahead and try this one out right now, just so more people are aware of the method. But yeah, it fully works, guys. Super insane. So be sure to get the word out about this tutorial right now, because I know there's people out there that have no idea how to get free Minecoins, and that's why I'm making this video. So you guys can all be masters of the Minecraft universe. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out.